Hello guys, welcome back. Some person says you shouldn't show your API because of that. I make it some higher, but you have it and I don't have a problem with it. Okay, what we should do? Now we find how to get API and how to get video ID. But the more important thing is we want to save the comments, not we want to save the comments, not something like just read them. We want to save them to create a database. How we can save them? Okay, let's see how we can save them. We create a data to Excel. Data is I create a comment that save them. But the important thing is how we can export some Excel file from Colab. Okay, we go just search how we save a CSV file that we created in Colab. Okay, exporting data from as CSV from Google Colab to your database. How to do it? Okay, step by importing necessary libraries. We import them. Let's just create another cell and import them, and then mounting Google Drive. Next, we need to mount our Google Drive in the Colab environment. This allows us to interact with our driver as your local system. Okay, let's do this. Let's run it. Connect to Google Drive. Let me just sing in. Continue. This is something personal and I don't like you to have this. Sorry for that. Okay, continue. Let's see. Was unsuccessful. Run it again. Connect to Google Drive. Let me connect it. Wait a little. Continue. Select all. Continue. Now let's see if it works or not. I think this worked perfectly. Okay, what we should do next? Creating a data frame. We know this. How to create a data frame. Where did it go? Okay. Creating data frame. That's easy peasy. Okay, def to CSV. Def to CSV. Here, I think, let's put it. Content drive, my drive, CSV. Okay, let's go to verifying to export. Let's verify that. Okay, it's verified that the data is exported. Let's just go to our Google Drive and see where the data is. Oh, not API, just Google Drive. Google Drive, sign in. The memory that is using is, okay, the CSV is here and our code is running perfectly. Now we can download the data if we want. This is the end of this lesson. We learn how to export some data from our Colab library. Okay, have a good day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.